about medical communication and
Professional caring.
let's check it out.
So in the video, a doctor is speaking with his patient, inquiring about how the patient feels. The doctor explained the patient's health condition, which is worsened by a history of diabetes. Due to the severity of the condition, the doctor discusses treatment options, including the possibility of amputation. Despite the doctor's gentle and thorough explanation, the patient is resistant to the idea of surgery, specifically amputation. The patient trusts the doctors but is unwilling to lose any part of his body. The doctors continue to encourage the patient to reconsider, stressing that immediate surgery is vital for the patient's life. However, by the end of the video, the patient remains adamant in his refusal, prompting the need to follow certain medical protocol for such cases.
C is for context. Based on the video, there is some communication between the doctor and the patient in the room. Because the patient is still in the treatment stage, they're not in the same height, but the doctor and the patient maintain the eye contact. And then, they talk closely, and the doctor show a relaxed and calm attitude to the patient, even though he wants to convey the bad news to the patient that his leg will be amputated.
L for listening. Based on the video, the doctor is seen as an effective listener because he listened to the patient complaint calmly without being annoyed or angry. Then, at the beginning of the video, the doctor starts the conversation with an open question such as, "How do you feel today?" The doctor also lets the patient talk without interrupting the conversation and notes when the patient tells what the patient feels or what makes him upset. And the doctor also tries to ask questions to clarify the condition of the patient fit and how the patient relationship with his wife is.
A for acknowledge. When the doctor came, the patient showed an uncomfortable face and looked annoyed because there was a nurse who told him not to wake up. And according to him, the food was not good. But the doctor showed that he had connected the emotion and the cause by saying, "I am used to hearing complaints about it." Then the doctor responded to the patient's complaint that the nurse was ordered because they were worried, and the doctors also gave education to the patient why the nurse told him to do so. Also in the video, when the patient is angry because he doesn't want his leg to be amputated, and the doctor looks calm when dealing with the patient and gives education about the action he wants to be done.
A strategy. Strategy from the video that we can take is that the doctor informs to the patient of the result of the health check, namely by recommending looking for other treatment options, including amputation, and asking the surgeon to come and talk directly with the patient regarding the treatment that should be carried out next. The patient actually did not want to have an amputation, but the explanation given by the doctor made the patient understand that what the doctor meant was what best for his health and life in the future.
Summary. There are infection in the patient when caused by diabetes. It's likely to be amputated, but the patient is fearful and disagrees. Then the doctor will return to see the patient about further information on the amputation. In this video, we found some terminology. First terminology is treatment. Treatment is management and care of patient with the aim of fighting disease or disorders. Infection. Infection is invasion and multiplication of microorganisms and body tissues, especially those that cause loss of cellular injury due to the competitive metabolism, toxins, intercellular replication, or antigen-antibody responses. Surgeon. Surgeon is medical specialist who practice surgery.
Based on Dorland, diabetes means metabolic disease characterized by elevated level of blood glucose or blood sugar, which leads over time to serious damage to the heart, blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerve. Antibiotics are chemical substances usually produced by a microorganism or semi-synthetically that have the ability to kill or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Heal means to restore to health or cause to become sound and healthy. To become sound or healthy again. Circulation refers to movement with a regular direction, such as the movement of blood through the heart and blood vessels. Amputation is the surgical removal part of a limb or other body part. This procedure is typically performed to treat or prevent infection, disease, or severe injury. The next one is ulcer. Ulcer is excavation of the surface of an organ or tissues resulting from sludging of necrotic inflammatory tissues.
Surgery, a branch of medicine that involves the use of manual and instrumental techniques to treat disease, injuries, or deformities through physical intervention. It often includes procedures that involve cutting, altering, or manipulating body tissues. The conclusion that can be drawn is in the video the doctor has implemented the class protocol well, namely by applying C for context, L for listening skill, A for acknowledge, S for strategy, and the last S for summary. In this video, we have seen how the implementation of class protocol by physicians plays an important role in ensuring the quality and safety of medical care, because class protocol are one of the cases that is very effective in improving the quality of communication and interaction in medical practice.
Well, hello, Mr. McTeer. How do you feel today?
How am I supposed to feel? Hooked up to these tubes, I've got nurses bossing me around, telling me not to get out of bed. And the food, it's horrible.
I'm used to hearing complaints about the food here. What did you have for breakfast?
Porridge. It's awful. I don't eat stuff like that.
I can certainly have the nurse look at different options for you. Now, Mr. McTeer, I wanted to talk to you about getting in and out of bed. The nurses are worried you may worsen the ulcer if you try to walk on your own just yet. Do you remember how the sore on your leg got started?
I don't know. I bump into things all the time.
Do you remember when it got started? Penny said you looked fine the last time she saw you at home. Did you talk to her about your leg back then?
When she comes, she's only interested in what's in the fridge and doing the laundry. She's not interested in how I feel or what I do.
Oh, that's not what I heard. She seems quite concerned about you living alone. Have the two of you talked about that before?
She wants me to go into a home like this, where people tell you what to do and feed you porridge for breakfast. Well, I won't go. I know it'd be easier for her, but I can look after myself.
Oh, I can see that this is very important to you. We can discuss it later, maybe when Penny is here. Right now, I really need to talk to you about the treatment for your leg. The infection is under control, but the ulcer will not heal. This is due to poor circulation in your leg because of the diabetes, and it's just not going to go on.
Surgeon. Surgeon is medical specialist with Patrick Surgery Dolan.
Boleh senyum enggak? Thank you for
Watching.